if you've not gotten your profile code for JAMB 2026 and you'll be writing JAMB in 2026, it is almost getting late. Do you know why it's almost getting late? Because by the time it gets close to JAMB registration, JAMB registration is this January. By the time you get close to the date, that place will be jam-packed. You will send, you will not receive. You will send, you will not receive. You send, you will not receive. So if you've not done it, immediately you finish watching this video, do it now, because you can do it with that phone you are using to watch me now. Are you ready? Let me show you. In a few minutes, you are done. Now, how to get your JAMB profile code? I'm using board because I was in class shooting video for my JAMB online class. So I just decided to do this. Okay, so to get your JAMB profile code, it is only two things you need. Two things you need. Registered SIM card. Registered SIM card. It can be any SIM card, but let it be your own. Use the SIM card you are using. And your NIN. If you have your SIM card and you have NIN, then you can easily get your profile code immediately you finish watching this video. Now, one thing you should note is that profile code, once you get it, even if you want to write JAMB next year, is that same profile code you will use. If you want to write JAMB 2 years after, it is that same profile code you will use. What that means is that if you wrote JAMB last year, it was the profile code you used last year, they gave you last year, that you are going to still use to register for JAMB this year. You cannot get two profile codes. So if you've lost the profile code last year, I'll show you what to do to recover that profile code. Or if you've lost your SIM card, I'll show you what to do also. Now, but let me start with those that have not gotten profile code yet. To get your profile code, all you need to do is get at least 50 naira in your SIM card, like airtime, credit in your SIM card, at least 50 naira. Then you now go to your message, that SMS side, the message, as if you want to send somebody a message. The number you should send message is 55019. Let me confirm. 55019 or 66019. This is the number you will send SMS. So you will send SMS to either this number or this number. Now, what should you send as the SMS? Just type NIN in capital letters. Type NIN in capital letters. Then give space, just one space. Then type your NIN. That's your 11-digit NIN number. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like that. Let's say this is your NIN number. Type your 11-digit NIN number and you click on send. So you can send to either this number or you send to either this number. So when you do this and you send, you just wait. They will deduct 50 naira from your SIM. That's why if you don't have airtime in your SIM, it will not go. So they will deduct 50 naira from your SIM card. Then they will now send you. Sometimes it takes some minutes. Sometimes it takes up to an hour. They will now send you your profile code as message. Then you write it out. That is how to get it. So just type NIN. You give space. NIN should be capital letter. Then you type your 11-digit NIN number. Then you send to either this number or this number. Now, there are some things I've written out here, some problems some persons encounter. Now, ensure that you are using the correct number, phone number. Some persons, they just see anybody, use anybody's phone. Some persons had that problem last year, that they use anybody's phone to get profile code. It is that phone number you use in getting the profile code that they will send your results to. That is the phone number you use in checking your results. So without that phone number, you cannot check your result. So ensure the SIM card you're using is your own. If you don't have your own, maybe you can use your mother's own or your father's own or anybody's own you can easily access. Don't go and use a stranger's phone. Don't say I did not tell you, because some persons will still come to my DM at that time when they are checking results. How do I check result? The number story. Now that's one thing. Also check your NIN, because some persons, why they don't even get the profile code on time is the NIN they are putting is wrong. Check your NIN. Check the NIN. Check the number, right? All right. Now, so basically that's that. If you wrote JAMB last year, you don't need to do this. You need to just use the profile code you used last year. But if the profile code you used last year, you don't know it again, or you don't know where you kept it, you cannot get it again, Excellence Simplified is here to tell you what to do. If you're not subscribed, click on the subscribe button now. Alright, so to get the profile code, your profile code, if you've written JAMB before, all you need to do, see this number or this one, just type in capital letters, just type resend. In capital letter, type resend to any of these two numbers. Send message. resend to any of these two numbers, they will send you your profile code back. Magic. They will send you your profile code back. So just type resend to any of these two numbers and you will get your profile code back. Now, for those persons that lost their SIM card, they cannot, because if you are typing this resend, use the same SIM card you use in registering that time. The same SIM card you use in getting the profile code. If you use another SIM card, they will tell you no record found. You will not get it. So if you've lost your SIM card, maybe your phone was stolen or something else, but you've lost your SIM card, what you are to do, two options for you. One is go to an accredited JAMB center with your details, as your name, your NIN. Go there and tell them you lost your SIM card, that you want to retrieve your profile code. Do it now. Don't wait till 31st when JAMB registration is starting. JAMB registration is starting this month. Don't wait till when JAMB registration starts, because the crowd, nobody will even attend to you before you even find your way inside. Then when you now mingle your way inside, you now tell them you want to get profile code. They will just say, wait, we are attending to people with profile code. Do you understand? So now, send resend to that, but visit is an accredited center and they will do that for you. Or another option is go to your JAMB caps. Your JAMB caps, you know how to check JAMB caps. I made a video on how to check JAMB caps, right? Go to your JAMB caps, just type JAMB caps on Google. It will open for you. I'm talking about those that have written JAMB before. In fact, if you've written JAMB before, you should know how to check JAMB caps. So go to your JAMB caps, then look for where they write, what do they used to write again? Look for recovery option. There's a place they will write something about recovery. Click on it and follow the instructions there. You'll get your profile code back. Alright, so basically that's how to get your profile code. It's very simple, right? Now my advice to you is start preparing. If you've not started reading, you're wasting time. JAMB is starting on the 25th of April. If you're a science student, register for my JAMB online class. It goes on every day, Mondays to Fridays, 6 p.m. every day. Then brainstorming, that's past question, holds every day to by 9 p.m. And the registration is ongoing. Many persons are already on that group learning. That is when you see people are on fire, ready to. And if you continue like that till April, because the class continues till April when you'll be writing JAMB. Tell me why you score less than 300. I've told them on that group, anybody that score less than 300, you cannot be there and score less than 300 except you're not serious. Do you understand? The registration is just 20,000 naira and it covers all the subjects you'll be writing in JAMB. That's for science students, not art students. My number is on the screen, so you can send me a message and I'll add you up to that group when you register. And I'll also send you previous lessons, the lessons you've missed. I'll also send it to you so that you'll be on the same pace with us. See you in my class. My name is Excellence Simplified. I believe this helped. If it helped you, tell me thank you in the comment section. If it did not help, tell me thank you for wasting my time. See you in my next video. Click on the subscribe button and share this, because most persons are looking for a way to get their profile code. So please share this to others. See you in my next class. Bye.